Creating content is hard unless you know these 5 free AI tools. If you're a creator, these will change your life. Let's go. Tool 1. Opus Clip. Turns long videos into viral short clips automatically. Finds viral moments, adds captions, edits for you. Perfect for YouTube, TikTok, Reels. Tool 2. Descript. Edit video by editing text, like a doc. Remove filler words, background noise, even clone your voice. Game changer for podcasts and talking head videos. Tool 3. Leonardo AI. Create thumbnails, concept art, or custom graphics with one prompt. More control than Midjourney. Way faster too. Designers and YouTubers, this is your cheat code. Tool 4. ChatGPT. Script writing, title ideas, captions, content strategy, all in seconds. Use GPT-4 for smarter output, even with the free version. Your personal writing assistant, 24/7. Tool 5. Pictory AI. Turn blogs or scripts into full videos automatically. AI adds stock footage, captions, and voiceover. Perfect for faceless YouTube channels. 5 free AI tools every creator needs. Opus Clip, Descript, Leonardo AI, ChatGPT, Pictory AI. Use these, save hours, look pro. Want a part 2? Comment, and I'll drop 5 more. Subscribe for weekly AI content.